Greetings and welcome to the Qualys series, where we're sharing some of our thought leadership specifically focused on PCI DSS 4.0. I'm Jonathan Trull. I'm the CISO at Qualys and also Senior Vice President of Customer Solutions. Introduced in 2004, the PCI Industry Data Security Standard is one of the oldest mainstays that CISOs and security teams have worked to implement. In fact, I've worked with this standard from the very beginning, the original standard in my first role as CISO with the state of Colorado, and then in all of my subsequent roles thereafter. As you're all aware, PCI Council updated its standard last year, and they set a deadline of March 31st, 2024 to transition to the new V4 standard. Over the next few hours, we invite you to join us on what will be a really good educational journey through all of the intricacies of PCI DSS 4.0. And we're going to be exploring the transformative aspects and shedding some light on the various dimensions of PCI compliance. We have an amazing lineup for you today. Our lineup includes a session being kicked off by Troy Leach, who is widely recognized as the godfather of PCI. So you're gonna hear all of the historical evolution, look through the significant changes in version 4 from the person who wrote the standard, wrote the books on this. So this is going to be really exciting. And then following Troy, we are privileged to have Avani Desai, CEO of Shellman, who is a leading figure and runs a company focused on attestation and compliance services. So Avani is going to give a very unique perspective, and that's going to be from the viewpoint of the assessor. So the assessor who is coming in, providing their oversight and assessment of the standard and whether or not a third party is meeting the compliance. So really great to get the assessor's viewpoint here. Next is we have Gene Yoshida, who's going to really look at the common trends in PCI DSS 4.0 and elaborate on why tokenization is not sufficient by itself. Again, I think tokenization was always like, this is the main thing that's going to solve all our problems, but provide additional insights here on why more is needed than just that technology. And then his insights are going to go deeper, understanding also the evolving landscape of PCI compliance and how to meet the compliance standard. Adding a practical touch to things, we're honored to have two distinguished Qualys customers with us today. We have Terry Barber from American Express Global Business Travel and Isaias Macardo from CardNet. So they're going to be sharing their invaluable experiences and approaches to preparing for the new standard, how they're tackling some of the real world challenges that they see within their environments, and providing us just with that practitioner's view of how are they implementing the new version of PCI DSS. And then, we're going to then step into the technical realm of things. And we have Shailesh, our Senior Vice President of Product Management, will be joining us. And he's going to guide us through really the Qualys platform perspective of mapping into the compliance standard into our product. So how do we use Qualys, one agent, one platform to meet all of the different dimensions of PCI DSS and all of the related requirements, and do it in an efficient and effective manner with one console, one platform, one agent. And then as we navigate this, this informative session, we aim to really give you a holistic view, right? All the way from the historical roots of PCI DSS from the beginning, looking at the significant updates over the different versions, specifically focusing on version 4.0. We'll then, of course, have the expertise from the practitioners who have already started down this journey of migrating to the new version, and providing you with insight of things to look out for, ways to make your journey in terms of migrating to the new version more seamless. And then again, finally, we'll look at the Qualys product and how we can help make compliance easier for you. So with that, I just want to thank you again for joining us. We think this is going to be a really great session to give you all of the data you need to make the migration to version 4 seamless and hopefully painless for you.